Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to another session from Alapu DC Python tutorials for beginners. In today's session, we are going to look into further more in depth regarding to Python, right? So till now we have been discussed about the concept called. In previous lecture we have been seeing the decoratives, right? In previous lectures we have seen more and more stuff like regarding functions, how to find factorial, recursion using factorial, Fibonacci series, all this stuff has been discussed till now, right? In today's session, we are going to look into another most important concept called modules. In modules, what exactly it is? What is a module? A module which is nothing but which is consisting of set of libraries which you need to perform the operation in such a way that it cannot affect the your code, correct, right? So in such a case, what I need to know, file, okay, suppose I have a module called ABCD. In that I have been divided this ABCD module into AC and BD. Okay, after that I have been divided this AC module separately and a BD module individually. Then I will have A, C, B, D. It means the entire module is ABCD. I have been divided in sub modules like A, B, C, D. Okay. Next, I have another module called GCDF. Okay. Anyway, otherwise, in the ABCD we have CD. In GCDF also we have CD. So this ABCD module consisting of CD will be used by GCDF module with reduction of the memory, right? So let's see. I just want to create add two numbers. Okay, I'm just creating variables. B is equals to 4. Okay, I just want add two numbers. Okay, let's say C equals to A plus B. I need to use, right. This is the stuff. But in the same thing, I just want perform the all the operation regarding to the all the operations regarding same stuff, right? On such a case, what I need to do? So, in such a case, I will create a new Python file by name calc. Okay. So, in this one, I just define the function. It will take the parameters a and b. Okay. It has to perform the addition. It means return. Okay. It has to perform the operation such a way that it will execute, correct, right? Similar manner I'll just copy paste. Here is the stuff like you can look into it. I have a function called calc. In this one I have been designed so many things, right? So I need to assign this one from here. How can I access? We have been so many things, right? From import, so many things have been discussed, right? So in such a case, we need to have the function itself, right? From import, no, sorry, from cal, import all the stuff, whatever the thing. I need to add the two numbers, subtract two numbers, anything, right? That has to be performed by this one. Whether it will going to perform or not, we'll check, right? So actual stuff is we have been right? So in calc.py we have been written set of code and from this I have this can be accessed here. So from calc, so I don't want add, I don't want subtract, I don't individually, I want all the things, right? So in such a case, import star. So I have been given a as 12 and b as 4, and I am giving c equals to a plus b, d is equals to, so something I have been given, and after that at last I am going to print all the values, right? So if you want to write, it will be like more than 20 lines of code, right? But stuff, if you have the file, if you have one, this file has one code and that will be in the another file, in such a case you will get confused, right, to write this one. So on such a case you will be having a beautiful concept in Python called models. If you execute this one, absolutely you will getting 12 plus 4 16, 12 minus 4 is 8, 12 4 ja 18, and 12 divided by 4 is 3.0. The division always returns floating value in the Python. We are very familiar, right? I hope this is very clear regarding the modules concept. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. That makes me motivate to do more videos like this. Thank you for watching.